Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Yeah, there's a lot of deals going on this week. A lot of smaller stuff from Harbor Freight. If you guys haven't checked out my other walkthrough videos, I go through different stores. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit the like, hit the bell, because I always do this for every store, or every tool store basically. You got the new ratchets here, basically, but you know what? No batteries, guys. You know how I had to struggle and buy my battery? I had to go online and eBay and buy my battery. Well, they're not here. They're out of the warehouse. All the states are pretty much empty. You got this for $19.99. It's a hose. It's an air hose there for the compressor. At $44.99, 6-gallon wet and dry vacuum. Down there. That's from Bauer. So it's on sale. So you guys see, that's one of the newer ones. Not the newest, but newer ones. That's one of the newer ones that they have. Hercules, 20 volt. It is battery operated. So half a gallon. Then you got the dual powered 2-gallon wet and dry portable vacuum. 2 peak horsepower. It's the HC023B. It is $119.99. It is the dual power, so you don't have to be in the battery platform. You can plug that thing in basically with the extension cord. That is the hose there, as you guys see. So it's an okay quality. I gotta try this out. If you know, the latches here seem to be a little plasticky, but they were okay, I guess. It's enough pressure to seal the cap there. But overall looks pretty nice. I gotta try it out and see how well that thing is. $64.99 electric winch. And then you got this one, cable winch puller, 2-ton, $14.99. That's it right there. Then you got this one. This is an electric hoist, $109.99. 880-pound electric hoist. As you guys see there. So a lot Harbor Freight runs weekly deals. So these are the weekly deals. $49.99 for the 1-ton manual chain hoist. That is down there, the one on the bottom. And then they got this sprayer. It's a 1 1/4 gallon home and garden sprayer. The weed season is here, so why not the bug and weed and stuff like that. Make sure you guys spray those. $21.99 ultralight crush proof weather resistant lockable case. They ran out of those, but it just looks like that one, but it's smaller. You got a big long case there for $119. I'm not allowed to say the other word that it says right there, but yeah, the protective case. Because YouTube demonetizes your videos if you guys say all those words, all those equipment words. You got a dolly here, a hardwood dolly for $19.99. Looks pretty nice. Looks like it's made out of 2x4s. Or 1x4. Yeah, 2x4s I think it is. They got this closeout special. I don't know if it's a special or not, but I guess they're closing these out. They're clearancing these out. You got the as it is merchandise. I always look for this table. Sometimes you'll find some good stuff here, brand new, and stuff that people return and they just use once and return them. And you can talk to your manager, see if they get you a bigger discount. So $136.49 for this professional coil sliding nailer, 15 degree. Then they had those on clearance. Then $58.49 for the circular saw from Hercules. And this is battery operated, so you have to be in the 20 volt line. I think it's a fairly nice saw. It's just that, there's you just got to be in the line basically. And that's the sprayer there from the one that they ran out on the other section. But that's the way it looks. It does have a little handle you can carry it. That's the backpack sprayer. So they do carry backpack sprayers. It's fairly inexpensive. I believe they're like $29. You got the 3-inch rubber light duty swivel casters, $3.99. These are great, guys, especially if you guys got equipment in your garage and you want to roll it out. Easy to clean your floors. So if you got a table saw or whatnot, just a regular table or workbench or something, you stick those on the bottom, and you're good to go. $9.99 for the 13-inch caster there, a tire. 11-inch cable ties, $1.99. And then the torque wrench, if you guys haven't watched my video for this torque wrench, I do have it. I did the video. This is a really nice torque wrench. Definitely check it out. It's $169.99. I did get it with the coupon for $150. So I ended up getting this one instead of the Cobalt because this one has better reviews, better stars, more stars. I mean, $5.99 for this 3-piece universal joint socket adapter. You know what, guys? I always like to grab these. These are so cheap. You know, all these little adapters, these little chrome adapters, and even the pneumatic ones, extensions and stuff like that. I always like to pick them up because, you know, it's something that you just need at home in case something breaks or something. Or you need to get that to that bolt that's really, you know, hard to get to. You got the 21-piece chrome socket set there. It's a really nice set. Then you got this extendable ratchet. It's a 1/4 inch 3 times 3/8 dual drive. So it does extend to 13.5 inches, I believe. You just pull that and it pulls right down. So it's a really nice. Then they got these new tools, new jump starters basically. The red one is the air compressor. It does include an air compressor. And the other one is just the jump starter. I do have that battery jump starter, the Viking. It works really well. Still works. You got $89 for this 2-ton low profile floor jack. I personally would go for the 3-ton, but if you got a smaller car, a smaller truck, this one will just it's enough. So if you don't want to, you know, if you're in a budget, $89 will get you going there, but definitely go for the 3-ton. Then $44.99 for this bearing separator and puller set. It's a really nice set. These Maddox, they do come with the hard case, most of these. So be sure to check them out. It's always nice if you do your own thing. If you guys do off-roading, you guys are tearing that suspension apart almost every weekend because you're going out there and breaking stuff. Make sure you guys get out your equipment so you guys could do it easier. You got the scanners here. You got some flashlights, tactical, $8.99 on sale. So any color. You got camel, you got green, black. And they got other lights there. Then they have this one, 1160 lumen solar LED security light, $34.99. So it's 11 lumen for $34.99. It's a good price. They're actually out of them. And I guess that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.